Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krishna Gaur, your technical friend, and in this video training I will discuss about AnyDesk remote access tool. So with the help of this application you can get remote access of a system on the internet from anywhere to any system. So this is the best remote access tool to connect remotely. So without any further delay, let me start the video. So guys, now I have to log into my system, and the very first thing you have to do is open any web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer, and in my case I have installed Google Chrome in my system. So I'll just open my Google Chrome web browser, and in the web search you have to type anydesk.com. anydesk.com. Once you will type anydesk.com, you simply hit enter, and it will redirect you to AnyDesk homepage, and here you will find the option download now or download. So both are the same things. It will download the exe file, so you simply click on download now, and once you will click here it will download one exe file. So it may take 1 second, 5 seconds, it depends on your internet speed. So once it will download, you just open that folder, and here you can find that AnyDesk application has been downloaded. So you simply double click on this application, and it will be installed the application in your system, or it can open that AnyDesk dashboard in your laptop screen. So simply just open that screen, and here you can see there is a number which is your AnyDesk unique ID, and if you can give this ID to your partner, to your friend, he can be or she can be access your system remotely. Or if you want to access to other systems, you simply enter that AnyDesk unique ID here. So in my case I have one AnyDesk ID, so I will put that ID here, 346231106. So once you will put this ID, AnyDesk ID here, and press enter, it will show that connection is in progress. And I have set that particular system, there is a password I have set to access AnyDesk application. So I'll just put the password here, and once I click on OK, it will open that remote desktop in my laptop screen. So I can do whatever I want to do. So suppose I just want to open any folder or Google Chrome, whatever I want to do, I can do through remotely. So this application is very helpful if you are on the internet and you want to access any system from anywhere. You can simply request for that unique AnyDesk ID, and you can enter here, and you can simply access that particular that remote computer or remote system. So once you will finish, simply close this application. Or if you want to set a unique password for security purpose for your AnyDesk, so you just simply click on this icon, this option, and here is the option called set password. So you simply click on set password, and it will give you that two options like password. So I just give password like this. You can give the password according to you, and simply click apply, and that's it. So whenever if someone want to access your system, you simply share the unique AnyDesk ID and password with them, and there is no need to accept from your side. They simply get access from your system. So this is the way you can access any system on the internet. So this is the best way, this is the best application which I am using, and I literally suggest you, if you want to access any remote system, remote computer, you can use this application. Hope this video will helpful, and see you in the next video. Thank you.